Hey guys, here I am making my homemade gumbo roux from scratch. So, getting it all nice and brown. And then after I get it all nice and brown, you let it cook it to as dark as you want your roux to be. So, I got my sausage thrown out because they should have been thawed out last night. But I'm not expecting to eat this today. Hopefully tomorrow. If not, I might just get everything prepped up, cooled off, stored for Wednesday because it's supposed to be another cold front Wednesday. Then I got everything up in here. I normally use real crabs, but I don't have time. So I got my meat in here in this slow cooker cooking. So yeah, and I'll let you know all the different things I have in there when it's said and done. So anyway, talk to you later. Alright guys, I mixed my water. I'm stirring my roux. Let it get thicker. Let it thicken up. And you just have to keep stirring it. Step away, let it simmer for a little bit. Stir it again, some more. And I used like a cup like this so far. And I'm cutting up my sausage. Do have another cup waiting. I'm mixing my sausage with the rest of my other meat, and I'll show you that in a little bit. But anyway, I'll give you some more steps in a minute. Guys, the roux is thickening up. It's getting pretty thick. All I have in there right now, I do have like salt, pepper, and onions, bell pepper, flour, gumbo filet, and this is what I used to do my roux. Now I have pot 1. I just have the chicken and sausage. And in pot 2, I have sausage, crab meat, fish, chicken. And now I'm about to see kitchen clean. I don't cook in a dirty kitchen. So now I'm about to do the okra. I like okra in mine. So I'm gonna put more okra in mine, but I'm gonna put less in this pot over here because my husband, and I'm not putting seafood over here, he's allergic to shrimp, and he have not realized, he don't know if it's fish or, well, he think fish is okay and crab is okay, but I'm gonna put, I'm not gonna put it in this pot with very little okra. He do like okra, but I am gonna make this one with less okra. And then, but I'm gonna add my gravies to both pots. The meat will cook itself while it's in the crock pot. Of course, this is how normally I would do everything on the stove, but because the way I work, I've learned how to use my slow cooker. So it is nice. Oh yeah. And I'm not a big person on a lot of seasoning because you gotta watch your cholesterol, your blood pressure, and all that stuff. So anyway, I will show you how everything looks when I blend it together in the next step. This is pot 1. This is just, I just poured the roux into this pot. And I'm gonna rinse that out because I have to do something with that. And this is pot, the other pot, with everything mixed. And the roux, as you can see, the roux is in there. And this is the pot I'm going to mix the okra, more of the okra in it because I love okra. So, again, let me rinse this out, ranch it out, as they say. Put the lid on that one, lid on that one, and I'll get back with you. Alright guys, I got the okra sauteing, and when it's good and ready, probably another 3 or 4 minutes, then I will mix it with the 2 crock pots, and I'm going to let them slow cook overnight. Or at least while I'm at work. My husband can probably dig into the pot that don't have everything else in it later tonight, but I'm about to make some jambalaya for him, so he don't really have a reason to dig into the gumbo. Alright, I'll give another video, add to this video anyway, once I get everything together and I'm down to just those 2 pots. Bye. So guys, now is jambalaya time. My husband haven't made it back with the chicken, so I'm going to go ahead and do my sausage. And if you don't have the chicken back before I get ready to mix everything together, then it will not be cooked along with the sausage. It will just be added. I do have to go to work and be there for 5, and it is set. I plan on being done by 4 o'clock with cooking anything. Talk to you in a minute.